Okay, here is the completed chicken coop door. I've got the lock system here with a plexiglass cover, and this is my limit switch. So this is a little magnet at the end. This is the magnet for the top limit switch. Little DC motor going to this double pole, double throw relay. This allows me to reverse the polarity, and it's all plugged into a smart switch. So this one is 12 volts and will switch the relay, and this is the 24 volt DC that controls the motor, and this is a Z-Wave outlet. So this communicates with the SmartThings hub, but it's a regular generic Z-Wave. And this is how it works. You can action it from the phone, or I've got it automatically so it will open up in the morning at sunrise. So we'll raise the coop door. Probably could have done a little better on that spool, but it's homemade. And it stops when the limit switch hits the top. And then if you want to lower it, reverses the polarity on the engine or on the motor. And we'll go all the way down till it hits the bottom limit. And the way the gravity lock works, these are engaged, so if a possum tries to get in here, it can't. So there you have it.